Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 1125 H2 update failed to install error. First, we will run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run. Windows will now scan for common update problems and try to repair them automatically. When the scan finishes, restart your computer and try installing the update again. If the update still fails, the next step is to repair Windows using the built-in recovery option. Open Settings again and go to System. Scroll down and click Recovery. Look for the section called Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click Reinstall. This option reinstalls the current version of Windows while keeping your apps, files, and settings. It also repairs damaged system files that may stop updates from installing. Follow the instructions on the screen and wait for the process to complete. Next, we will restart the Windows Update services. Press the Windows key and type Services, then open the Services app. In the list, find Windows Update. Right-click it and choose Restart. Do the same for the Background Intelligent Transfer service. Restarting these services refreshes the update system and can fix download or installation errors. Finally, run an SFC scan to repair corrupted system files. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. If any corrupted files are found, Windows will repair them automatically. After the scan finishes, restart your computer and try installing the Windows 11 update again. This should resolve the update installation error. Thanks for watching.